Yo, yo, yo. Eclipse brakes. We're starting up in 1 minute here. Just giving people a chance to join and then we'll rock on. Let me find these cards. My braking. Mega box. What up? Getting ready to go. We get this half a case out of here. All these mega boxes. So many mega boxes. Yes, Jordy. This is the mega box number 8 from eBay. Number 8? Did I have that right? I think it's 8. I don't know, I've lost track. I think this is the 8th break of this stuff. Jordy, you got the Bears? If so, then you're in the right spot. All right. I think I got one person that didn't pay, but I'm not going to hold up the brake for that. Whoop! Bumped my camera. Sorry about that. There we go. 10 boxes, everybody, just so you can see them. Try to make everybody sick before we get started. Welcome to the break. This is Eclipse Breaks on Wes. We're doing Mega Box. Football Mega Box number 8. This nice low-end product, but we've gotten some decent hits out of it. I pulled a Garoppolo out of this a week ago. I think it was a Garoppolo auto rookie, which is crazy because it's he's a 2015 rookie, but that came out of a Gridiron Kings pack. Why is my list not clear? What is this? All right, sorry about the slight delay. Welcome to the break. We've got Brad with the Vikings, Caroline with the Cardinals, Chris with the Bucks. Donnie has got the Colts, Packers, Ravens, and Steelers. I think it's Eric with the Eagles. My printer didn't print that line for some reason. Gary with the 49ers, James with the Titans, Jeff with the Giants. Jordy has the Bears. Michael with the Patriots and Raiders. Michael D, that is. Michael R with the Browns, Michael V with the Rams, Richard with the Cowboys, Ryan with the Broncos, and Timothy has the Jags and the Saints. Jeff, you don't see any video. Does anybody else see video? Is it just Jeff? My feed looks good on this end, but I'm the host, so... Anybody else see this? Can you see these hands? How about you, Jordan? Can you see my feed here? Just want to make sure everybody can see this before I start. Okay. Ryan can see. Jeff, it's got to be on your end, dude. Try a refresh. Try close. I think if you're in the app, just try to close it out and come back in. I don't want to hold up the brake. I can see clearly now, but Jeff can't. Hang on one sec. Let me grab a Hershey's Kiss. All right, get a little chocolate for myself to start. Clean my hands again. Ready to go. Good luck, everybody. As you may know, we got two 2015 Gridiron Kings packs, Gridiron Kings, and 7 2016 Donruss in every box. Alrighty, I'm going to jump through the base cards like always. I guess I don't really need to rotate these base cards. I will call out these inserts and rookies. All Pros Navarro Bowman for the Niners. Carl Joseph rookie card. Try to get through this quickly. All cards will ship, if anybody's wondering. I don't want these cards, so they will go out in the mail. Gridiron Kings Ed Reed for the Ravens insert. Ricardo Lewis, rated rookie for the Browns. I'm not. I was sucking on it. I'm done now. I just wanted a little chocolate to get me going. Get me pumped up. I didn't even eat today. James Harrison insert for the Steelers. Legends of the Fall. Jaron Reed. Jaron Reed, rookie card, Seahawks. I got confused because there were two wasted cards in that pack. It goes over there. Gridiron Kings. A lot of these already. Amari Cooper for the Raiders. And an Austin Hooper rated rookie. I just noticed that I don't have all my lights on, so this feed is a little bit darker. I'll fix that after this pack. Oh yeah, we'll just jump through the base cards. Daisy Ridley insert. Put that to the side. Glenn Gronkowski rookie card for Buffalo. Let me fix my lighting real quick. Add 6 more bulbs to the mix, just to make sure it's clear and bright. Just noticed these packs aren't on camera. Sorry about that. League leaders, Raiders and Lions. Joey Bosa rated rookie. Chargers. Why's my camera? Hang on, why's my camera bouncing around like this? Let me tighten it. Man, shit's all out of whack today. Peyton Manning, the Sheriff insert for the. That one's for the Broncos, actually. I was going to say Colts. Sheldon Rankins, rookie card for the Saints. See what we get in these Gridiron Kings packs, if anything. Vincent Mayle, rookie card for the Browns with a red border. There's a Joe Montana brown border for the Niners. Franco Harris for the Steelers, red. Never know with these friggin' mega boxes. I pulled some good stuff out of them, and I've had some super cold ones. Oh. Jameis Winston rookie card, brown border. Stallworth for the Steelers with a brown border. Fitz, blue border, second rarest. No hits in that box. What did I sell? I only sold like half the teams in this break. Oh, whatever. League leaders, Jets and Seahawks. Kenneth Dixon, rated rookie for the Ravens. Marissa Miller, fans of the game. She ain't no fan. James Bradbury, Panthers rookie. Bradbury, the Bradbury Bunny. Or the Bradbury Bunny. Hey, Carrie. Jets, production line, Chris Ivory. CJ Procise, rated rookie for the Seahawks. Legends, Emmitt Smith for the Cowboys. Kamale Correa, Ravens rookie. I think that's how it's pronounced. Hey, boy, hey. Hey, girl, hey. Charles Haley, Niners throwback. Christian Hackenberg, rated rookie for the Jets. He's an Eagle right now. And with Foles getting injured, he might stay an Eagle. Figured he was a camp arm, but we'll see. Manning for the Colts. Kenny Clark, rookie Packers. Let's get a hit. Let's get a hit. No shit. Give me a hit. Bloop. Blake Bortles, production line, Jags. Vernon Hargraves, rookie card for the Bucks. Stephon Diggs, rookie card with a brown border. Tim Brown, brown border for the Raiders. Arian Foster, Texans, red border. These are nice pieces of art. I love these cards. I like to have the set. David Cobb, rookie card for the Titans with a red border. Royal Performances, Devin Hester for the Falcons. Antonio Brown, red border, Steelers. 2 boxes, no hit. It does happen. It does happen. You don't have the guarantees. Oh. Knocked over my card pile over here. Looks like we got a thick card in here. Let me see what's behind it. We'll save it for last. League leaders. Gostkowski and Gino. Rookie card. Shaq Lawson for the Buffalo Bills. We got a... feels like maybe it's a jersey. Let's see. It's upside down. It is number 6, Buck Allen, Ravens. The back, Buck Allen. It's a jersey card. Jersey relic for the Ravens. Buck. Uncle Buck. For the Ravens, first hit. Another Daisy Ridley. Jeff Driscoll, rated rookie. Niners. Manning for the Colts. Vernon Hargreaves, rookie for the Bucks. Damn it. That pack didn't rip right. Base, yeah, it's a base card. Jerry Rice, Legends of the Fall for the Niners. Kenneth Dixon, rated rookie for the Ravens. Tony Dorsett, throwback for the boys. Oh, a little off camera there. James Bradbury, rookie again. Prefer the rated rookies. They're nice cards. I like them. I like the rated. The rated. Allen Robinson, Gridiron Kings for the Jags. CJ Prosise, rated rookie for the Seahawks. Selleck. Darius Thomas for the Broncos. Camille again, rookie card for the Ravens. Gridiron Kings. Tyler Lockett, rookie card with a brown border for the Seahawks. I don't know why that's backwards. It's a Des Bryant, Gridiron Kings Expressionists for the Cowboys. Why is that backwards? Why was that backwards? That's weird. Sam Bradford for the Eagles, red border. Plastic pack's hard to open. JPP. Carlos Williams, rookie card for the Bills, red border. Peyton Manning, brown. Peyton Manning, red. Both for the Broncos. Back to back. Different pictures. Got a jersey card in that one. Keep moving along. Ooh, wow, that pack is not in good shape. That is. Hopefully nothing damaged in there. Looks like it's probably going to be okay. Yeah, I don't see any damage. They look okay. It's quite the crushed pack, though. League leaders. Dual team again. It looks like is that the Broncos and the Panthers. Cardale Jones, rated rookie for the Bills. Fans of the game, Al Pacino. DeForest Buckner, rookie card for the Niners. Oh, flipping it again. Going back to old habits, flipping the cards. Steelers, production line, D'Angelo Williams insert. Corey Coleman, rated rookie for the Browns. Eli Manning, Legends of the Fall for the Giants. Robert Kemdichi, rookie card for the Cardinals. Kemdichi. Kemdechi. Earl Campbell for the Oilers, which is the Titans. There's a Jalen Ramsey for the Jags, rated rookie. Rated. Julio Jones, Falcons. Suwak Cravens, rookie card, Redskins. Brady. Jordan Howard, Bears rated rookie. Shaq Thompson, rookie card with a red border for the Panthers. Bo Jackson for the Raiders, red border. Blake Bortles, red border, Jags. Can we get something in this pack? Carlos Williams, rookie card. Brown border. Jameis Winston, backwards again, even though it's not an autograph. Jameis Winston for the Bucks. Don't know why it was backwards. I was hoping it was an auto. Tavon Austin, red border for the Rams. No hit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This will be the halfway point. With only one hit. Come on, Donruss. Give us some hits. Give us some hits. Give us the hits. There's a thick pack down there. Should be a hit in here. Hopefully it's a RPA and not just a P. Legends of the Fall, Steve Young for the Niners. William Jackson rookie card for the Bengals. The Bengals. Properly pronounced the Bengals, but some people like to say Bengals. I don't know why. It's not English. There's a split card there to the side. Laquan Treadwell rated rookie for the Vikes. Kid Reporter. Peyton Manning, Broncos. Sean Robinson, Lions rookie. Eric Decker, Broncos. Paul Perkins, Giants rated rookie. Was he a corner? Paul Perkins? Nah, they only put offensive guys in the rated rookie cards. There's a Gronk. The Gronk insert. Chris Jones, Chiefs rookie. Crap. That's a neat card. Phillip Rivers, Gridiron Kings for the Chargers. Derrick Henry, Titans rated rookie. Andre Reed, Gridiron Kings for the Bills insert. Mackenzie Alexander, rookie for the Vikings. Gridiron Kings. With what appears to be a hit in the second pack. Looks like there's a thick card in the next pack. Vince Mayle, rookie card for the Browns with a brown border. Another backwards card. The Drive, John Elway, Broncos. The Drive, the classics. T.Y. Hilton, Colts, red border. See what's in this thicker pack. Don't play me. Don't play me for a full panini. Yeah, there's a thick card in there. Yep, thick card. Thick card. Let's see what we got. Kid Reporter behind it. We got a Tony Romo with a red border. Is this the card? Nope, that's the card there. Expressionist Des Bryant again. That's a dupe. Then we've got these base cards, and behind it we've got, what is that? What is that? Is it Bears? Is that what that is? Yeah, it's going to be an auto. It's Kevin White of the Bears. I called that one. That was Bears helmet. This is going to be a patch auto. Gridiron Kings, Kevin White for the Bears. How's about that? The Bears. The Bears. Sketches and swatches. Bloop. For the Bears. Who's got the Bears? Where's my list? Who's got the Bears? Bears. Jordan. Jordan's got the Bears. How about that one, buddy? Nice hit. Kevin White. It's a sticker autograph, but it's a good one. Nice hit. Going out to Jordan. Shit, give me 1 sec. 1 sec, guys. Alrighty, sorry about that. I try to keep my feed up so I can make sure I'm still alive and my other screen locked. I don't want this to go out and me keep going. Fans of the game, Pacino again. Getting a lot of these tonight. There's a golf rated rookie. Rated rookie of the Jared Goff. Looks a little bit off center. Well, maybe not. Might be PC. Who knows? Jared Goff rated rookie. Chris Ivory production line. Darren Lee. Rookie card for the Jets. There's a Brady insert, Legends of the Fall. Trevor Davis, Packers rated rookie. Marcus Allen, Raiders throwback. Derek Watt, rookie card for the Chargers. The Sheriff, Peyton Manning for the Colts. Wendell Smallwood for the Eagles, rated rookie. I like the dude. I hope he stays with the team. I don't know, with Josh Allen and Corey Coleman, I don't know if there's a spot for all of them. So many good running backs on the Eagles now. J.J. Watt production line. Shalik Calhoun rookie card for the Raiders. I don't know why that's not a rated rookie. Should be. Mike Tolbert. Jonathan Williams, rated rookie Bills. Rashad Perryman rookie card for the Ravens with a brown border. Steve Smith Sr. for the Ravens. Andrew Luck red border Colts. Let's get another auto out of here. Come on, Mega Box, give it to us. Give it to us. Stephon Anthony, Saints rookie red border. Matty Ice. Fran Tarkenton, going way back for the Vikes, red border. Nothing, honey. Nothing in there. 4 boxes left. Well, we've already got a patch auto card, so I've had worse breaks with the Mega Box than this in the past. I've also had way better. I've gotten 6, 7, 8 hits out of these at times. Still time left to get some hits. Raiders, Tim Brown. Gridiron Kings insert. Jake Rudock, rookie card for the Lions. We got something here. It's a parallel. Jarvis Landry parallel for the Dolphins. It's pretty. It's pretty. Jerry Rice throwback Niners. Braxton Miller rated rookie Texans. James Winston. Jihad Ward, rookie Raiders. Kid Reporter. Never seen a Kid Reporter. Do they actually do that, or they put it on some obscure channel or on the internet or something? Never seen a kid reporting any game. Legends of the Fall, Elway insert. There's a Wentz. The Wentz! Looks PC. Looks perfectly centered to my unprofessional grading eye. It's a nice Wentz there, a nice Wentz rated rookie. We're going to need this boy back. Friggin' Foles messing up his shoulder. I need this gentleman to get back into the game and be his amazing self. I like the centering on that card though. It looks flawless. I might grade as a 10 if somebody would want to get it graded. Wow. So many of these friggin' fans of the game. Got a pile of them over here. Keanu Neal rookie card. Falcons. I usually get maybe 2 of those fans of the game at most in a half a case of this. Giants, Eli. Makes Jeff happy. Connor Cook, rated rookie for the Raiders. I know Jeff loves him some Eli. The Horsies, Von Miller, production line insert. Leonard Floyd, rookie for the Bears. See what's in these Gridiron Kings packs. Ow. Damn, this friggin' blade is just up against my arm. Put it away, sorry. Almost got cut. It's a dangerous hobby doing breaks like this. Cameras art and rookie card, brown border. Can't talk. New aesthetics. Sammy Watkins for the Bills. Alex Smith, red border with the old team, the Chiefs. I think this might be a thick pack. Yeah, it sure is. Sure is a thick pack. Kid Reporter. Delaney Walker. Titans, red border. David Cobb rookie card with a blue border. Let's see what's in here. We got something. Number 240 of 249. Dun, 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 dun. It's the Jets. Who is it? Who is it? Leonard Williams. Leonard. Wow, that's a big ass patch right there. That is a huge napkin. You could definitely clean your entire face after dinner with that thing. Look at the size of that. The Jets. Here's my top loaders. The Jets. That's me. Nobody bought the Jets, so this is my card. That's why I got to get them multi-teams. Get them cheap teams. You never know what's going to come out. Of course, I'll probably end up just giving that to somebody. Oh, all right, 3 boxes to go. I know I got a couple people in here who bought some teams for high cost. Just so you know, if you don't get a hit and you paid a lot of money, I'll hook you up. I'll throw a little something extra into the package for you. I always try to take care of everybody. Try not to leave anybody hanging. I mean, in addition to all your base cards, that's if you bought in for, you know, significantly more than the starting cost of $3, like triple $10 or something. I'll throw in some extra stuff for you. Blake Bortles insert. Michael Thomas rated rookie. Where's my focus? Come on, focus. Won't leave you hanging. Won't leave you hanging if you got a lot of money in on this and you don't get anything decent in the end. I will hook you up. Hook you up at least a little bit. The more you bought in, the more I'll hook you up. Navarro Bowman for the Niners. Bronson Kafusi, Ravens, rookie. I have given out some autographs and stuff before because people really bought in and got super screwed over by Panini. I've had a couple breaks where people got like 15 cards, so I tossed them an autograph. You got Steelers and Falcons insert there. Pharaoh Cooper rated rookie for the Rams. Pharaoh. Gurley. Cyrus Jones rookie. Pats. AB for the Steelers. Insert. Taji Sharp, rated rookie for the Titans. The Titans. The Titans. Ah! I got stuck. Press proof. We got a press proof parallel here. That's a base parallel press proof of Zach Miller for the Bears. The Bears. I gotta start another pile actually. It's the second parallel or insert. Deion Jones rookie card for the Falcons. The Sheriff for the Colts. And a Tyler Irvin rated rookie. Texans. The Texans. I do not see a thick pack here. Doesn't mean there's not an autograph. But it does mean there's probably not going to be a memorabilia card. Tony Lippett, Dolphins rookie brown border. Terry Bradshaw, brown border Steelers. Bridgewater, red border Vikes. Got a numbered card here. Hopefully that's a good thing. Hopefully this number means something good. For Kansas City, Chris Conley. What do we got? What do we got? Oh, it got stuck to the TJ Watt. Here it comes. Here it comes. Boom! Chris Conley. Sticker autograph for the Chiefs. Gridiron Kings. How about that? Look at that shit. That's a nice card right there. Nice rugged surface on it. Chiefs. Chiefs right there going out to West. Get down there. Get down there. Chiefs. Shabam. Studio signatures. How about those Chiefs? Chris Conley. Got a couple cards left here. I got this was the J.J. Watt. They got stuck to that. Fictionado for the Texans. And there's a Bell, Le'Veon Bell, Steelers red border. 2 boxes remaining. I gotta go check on that mixer, see if there's progress being made on getting rid of those teams. I'd love to keep pulling some autographs out of here. Can we get another one? 2 autos. Darren McFadden, production line. Boys. Moritz Boehringer, rookie card for the Vikes. Emmitt Smith, Legend of the Fall for the boys. Zeke. Zeke's in the house. Zeke's in his house. Rated rookie for the Cowboys. Rated. Rated. Boop, 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 boom. Little mini hit. Little mini hit if you like the Cowboys and you like rated rookie cards. They're some of my favorite cards. I just love the design of them. They bring me back to when I was a kid. All those old baseball rated rookies. Mike Singletary for the Bears insert. Shaq Lawson rookie card Bills. Kid Reporter. Reporting from his crib. The Sheriff for the Colts. Driscoll, rated rookie for the Niners. Is he a Niner anymore? I don't even know. Might be a backup. Is he a backup there behind Garoppolo? I don't know. There's another Manning insert there. Top targets Emmanuel Sanders. Broncos. Vernon Hargraves rookie card for the Bucks. Josh Norman, Skins. Kenneth Dixon, Ravens, red rookie. Can we pull another auto? That's the question. Can we get 3 in a row? I'm going to say we can. Von Miller, Broncos. James Bradbury, Panthers, rookie. All right. All right, Panini, give us 3 in a row. Give us 3 in a row. Oh, we got a number. Tevin Coleman, number to 199. Did they do it? Did they give us another one? Oh, look at this. Rolling it with the Mega Box tonight. Tevin Coleman sticker. How about this? Freaking Tevin Coleman rookie card. Sticker auto. For the Falcons. That's a nice card. Man, these cards are pretty. That is a nice looking card right there. Excellent artwork. I like the black and the white design. That's a nice card. How about that? 3 in a row. Was it 3? I think it was 3. Yeah, didn't we get... Oh, no, we just got a rated rookie over here. But we've already got 3 autographs out of this. 3 autos. How about that? Who says Mega Box sucks? I mean, it does sometimes, but it could be hot too. Real Performances insert. Mile High Miracle for the Ravens. Anquan Bolden with the Niners red border. Hey, can I get another auto? Maybe get one out of here too. Wouldn't that be sweet? Both packs? Both packs? Oh, that's not an auto. Preston Smith, Redskins rookie, brown border. Expressionist Jameis Winston. I don't think these have a number on them. Nope. Mark Ingram for the Saints. Red border. One more box. Does that mean one more auto? Let's hope so. Let's hope it means 2. I'll take 3. Shit. Let me get greedy on this one. Give me autograph in every pack. Pull some autos for you guys. How about that? I got the hot hands tonight. The hot hands tonight. Bam. Colts. Edgerrin James. Kavari Russell. Chiefs rookie. League leaders. League leaders. Looks like Panthers and Bengals. Tyler Boyd, rated rookie for the Bengals. Rivers production line insert. Malik Collins, Cowboys, rookie. Come down to the end here. Tyler Lockett, Seahawks. Eli Apple. I got an autograph of this guy yesterday out of the Prime Signatures. Jeff, you missed out on that one. Rated rookie. Oh, there we go. Press proof parallel for the Patriots of Dion Lewis. Press proof. Sean Davis rookie card for the Steelers. Colts Manning. Jalen Smith, Cowboys rated rookie. Final Donruss pack. Looks like there's a thick card in here. So the question is it Cowboys or the Eagles or not? Or the Rams? Vernon Butler, rookie card for the Panthers. We got Terrell Davis for the Broncos insert. That card looks like the Bills back there. Looks like the color of the Bills. Let's see. Here we go. It is the Bills. It was right on the color. And Carlos Williams. Uh-oh. Carlos Williams. Carlos Williams. Patch. Patch? I can't tell what kind of material that fabric is there. It's not jersey. Maybe it's pants. Carlos Williams for Buffalo. The Bills. Bam. Buffalo. Buffalo. Sophomore swatches. Carlos Williams. Still got 2 packs here. Might have something in one of these. Whoop. Drop some cards. Mariota rookie card with a brown border. I'll sleeve that one up later. Tony Dorsett, Gridiron Kings for the boys. Brown border and a Flacco blue border. Miscut. It's miscut because of the top there. It's like totally off center. Last pack. Once again, if you bought into this for a lot of money and you got screwed over, I will hook you up. I've got some bonuses I can throw in for everybody that gets screwed over by Panini. I'll do my best to take care of you, to show my appreciation for you getting into this break. Trying not to leave anybody hanging. Devontae Parker rookie card. Also miscut. This one's low. Brown border. Gale Sayers, brown border for the Bears. And the final card is a Jay Cutler red border. Do a quick recap, and then I'll work on getting this all organized and getting the bonuses out to everybody that bought in for extra costs. Quick recap. Sophomore swatches, Carlos Williams for the Bills. We get another, yes. We've got Buck Allen for the Ravens. Looks like a jersey. And then the big boy, big ass patch here, Art Nouveau, Leonard Williams. Actually, it's a big ass jersey napkin. Art Nouveau for the Jets. Then we got a few of these. Carson Wentz, Jared Goff, and Zeke. Those are mini hits, sort of. We've got Chris Connolly, sticker autograph rookie for the Chiefs. We've got Tevin Coleman, rookie autograph for the Falcons. And Kevin White for the Bears. Patch. I said it's not a, I don't know what material that is. Let's call it a patch auto. Sticker auto. The Bears. Those are the hits. I will ship all these cards out likely tomorrow, depending on if I can get them all organized. As you can see, there is a quite the pile over here that I've got to go through and get organized. I do have some packs over there in the corner, which you can see right here. Some bonus packs. Those are 2016 packs. I will throw those in for everybody that got totally screwed over, that bought in for a little extra and got the shaft by Panini. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I am going to go tend to another break that I have scheduled. If I can get to it tonight, I'm going to try to do this mixer break if I can get those last few teams sold. If you're interested, check it out. And I'm going to download this video so I can upload it to YouTube. Thanks again for joining in on the break. I've got more coming up on eBay over the next week. Check it out if you're interested. We got some good hits tonight. I got the hot hand. Stay with it. All right, guys. Have a wonderful evening. And I will see you on the flip side. Peace. Eclipse Breaks out.